Hi everyone, this is your girl Teresa. She's back for another episode of Physics Explanations. So, another mandated YouTube video. So, we're going to explain questions number 11 for all of the problems from A to E. So the first problem is the alpha decay of radon 198. Radon number 198. The number 198 is the mass of the atom for the radon. That's a mass of 198. So we're doing alpha decay. So in alpha decay, the number of neutrons is reduced by 2, and the number of protons also reduced by 2. And so we're going to look at the periodic table. So this is a periodic table. So this is radon. It has an atomic number of 86. And so here's our number 86 at the bottom, and here's the atomic mass 198 on top, and this is radon. And so we want to find alpha decay. So as we mentioned earlier, in alpha decay, the number of neutrons is reduced by 2, and the number of protons is also reduced by 2. So 96 reduced to 94, which is polonium, and since the atomic mass is reduced, 198 is reduced by 4 to 194, and also since mass cannot be created, or mass cannot be destroyed, as it turns to something else, and that the reduction of 2 protons and neutrons turns to helium. It's an atomic number of 2 and a mass number of 4. And that is letter A. And letter B is the beta minus decay of uranium 237. So the mass of this uranium atom is 237. The atomic number of uranium is 92. So it's 92. I made a mistake. It's supposed to be 92. Let me fix that real quick. So this is 92. It's the atomic number of uranium. And so in beta decay, the number of protons is the atom gains 1 proton. In the beta minus decay, the protons is gained by 1. So it turns into neptunium, which has a atomic number of 93, which we can see here, and there's the there's the beta minus decay of 1. And so this is the answer. So 11C, plutonium-244 undergoes gamma decay. As in gamma decay, there's no change in either protons or neutrons, so the only thing that changes is the gamma rays, so it's 0. The elements still stay the same, so the only thing that changes is the gamma rays, so this is our final answer. Decay of oxygen 17 into nitrogen 17. Oxygen has an atomic number of 8, and this decays to nitrogen, which has an atomic number of 7. And so the electron has a it is and here's the E, so it loses a proton, and when it loses a proton is beta plus decay, and that's our answer. And 11E, decay of potassium 42 into calcium 42. Potassium has the atomic number of 19 and calcium has an atomic number of 20. And so 19, and so it gains and so the decay, it gains a proton. And so this is known as the beta minus decay, because it gains a proton, because when it decays it gains a proton, which can be seen in this charge. And so again, this by 1. And that is our final, and that's it. That's our final answer. See ya.